to construct a bisector of a given angle. Okay, so we need to draw a line. Okay, after that we can draw any angle. Okay, we can draw any angle. For that you bring the compass. You can do with me, you can bring the compass here. Okay, keep it here. Okay, you can make the, here it is showing 7.2 centimeter, any length you can take. Okay, now we will draw an angle. Like this, you can draw any angle. And again you can put here, you can bring it here, you can draw this and now join this line to get the angle. So you can use the ruler to join it. This is a ruler. Okay, so you can keep it like this. Here one point and another point should pass through this one. Okay, so keep it like this, ruler. Okay, and then draw a line. Okay, this is our angle. It can be any angle. Okay, so can be any angle given, and we have to make this bisector of this angle. Bisector of this angle. This is an angle, its bisector we have to make. So whenever we have to make the bisector, we have to draw this arc like this. Suppose that we have not given these two arcs. Then we have to draw the bisector of this angle, means the line which divides it into two equal parts. It's called the bisector of this angle. Draw this, I will see, you have to show after drawing it in your notebook. So this is a given angle. This is our given angle. This is any angle. Here we have to find the bisector of this angle. Yes, Abrar, 1 minute. Abrar, raise your hands if you have a doubt. Okay, you can unmute yourself now, Abrar.
Yes, sir. Sir, before like it is in the line, you draw that arc, right?
Yes.
So when we are drawing in the notebook, we have to erase the arc after drawing, or it should be like that.
No, you make any angle first, and then we are going to make the bisector of this one. So no need of
Yes.
that arc. First, you can have this angle. Now we are going to find the bisector of this angle.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
done.
Yes, sir.
This is
Done.
the first step. Now, now we will decide the length of this compass. Any length we can decide here. It is showing 5.6 centimeter, and then here at this point you have to put at this point. Okay, at this point. Okay, so this has been, tip should be at this point. Okay, then you have to draw so that it can, any length you can take, any radius. Okay, any radius you can take, any radius. Okay, after this you can change the radius. You should know that where you can change the radius, where you cannot change the radius. But here if you will not change radius, then also it's correct, but here you can change the radius. Second point, you should write the steps also. Here you will put the compass. You can change the length, but now once you change, now you cannot change the length. Now you have to draw one arc here, like this. Then now you are not supposed to change the radius of this compass. Now put here at this point and cut this arc. Okay, got it? So where we put first point, I will write A, B, C, D. A, here we put first the pointer of the compass, then at B, and these two arcs intersect at C. This is point O, suppose. Okay. Now we have to draw a line which joins O to C. O to C. So you can put the ruler, take the ruler, this compass no more required now. To bring the ruler here and put here at this point ruler, and then move it so that the line should pass from the intersection of the previous two arcs this way. Okay, and then you can draw the line. Okay, so this line will divide the given angle into two equal parts. If you measure this part and this part, that will be same. You can check with this measurement. You put this here, you are getting about 30 degree, correct? What is the angle here? I'm getting 30 degree because that was 60. So here this angle is 30 degree. So another should be also 30 degree. So the another angle we can check. How can we check this angle? You can put ring here at this point and move it here. Exactly, if you will put the at exact point, You can see that exactly it should be moved actually. Yes, you can see now. This is 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. No need to show 30 degree. I just want to show that this line is bisecting the angle into two parts. So this is the angle bisector. So how to draw the angle bisector? What will be the steps of construction? You will have to write the steps of construction whenever we have to draw the bisector of a given angle. Center O, one, draw an arc AB, draw an arc. Suppose this is your OP and OQ point. So you can write the steps of construction. Step of construction. Whenever construction comes, you have to write all steps, but in short, not so long. First, what we have done, we have given the angle, so no need to write. With center O and any radius, draw an arc intersecting OP and OQ at A and B. So always with, you can start with center O and any suitable radius. Any suitable radius, draw an arc of the circle. Draw an arc of the circle which intersect. Draw and write together. Intersect O, P and OQ at A and B. Okay, first point. So I should write here the second point, but because of the shortage of space, okay, I'll write here. I can take another page also, but this figure will not be there. So we should write according to the figure. So second point is with center A and B, draw two arcs intersecting each other at C of same radius. So together we will write this second point. So with centers A and B and any suitable radius or more than half, it should be more than half radius, more than half, or you can write any suitable radius. Suitable means it should be more than half. Suitable radius, draw arc of the circles intersecting intersecting each other at C. Okay, at C. And whatever we have done, actually, we should write in our language. So you should know somewhat about technical language, how to write for drawing line, how to write for drawing arc. That technical language, if you know, you can write in your own words. construction. This is chapter construction. My dear construction chapter, Bachi, Basharani. This is our chapter number 11, construction chapter. Last chapter we are doing chapter 11, class 9, construction. Construction. Now join OC. The third point is join OC, and which is the required bisector of the angle POQ. That's all. Join OP, join OP comma, which is the required bisector of angle POQ. Yes, join OC, no, not P. Correct. This is not P, OC. This is OC. Join OC, which is the required bisector of angle POQ, angle bisector. So this is how to draw the angle bisector. There are some basic constructions in the starting, then you have the constructions, and I think you have more difficult constructions as compared to class 10 this year. Some are difficult ones. Okay, so got it. I'm going to another page. 1 minute, I'll pause recording. To construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment means if a line segment is given, suppose this is a given line segment, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this line. Means that line should be perpendicular to this line segment and also bisect this line segment. Got it? The line that we have to draw should be perpendicular to this line and should pass from the middle point of this line. Means divide into bisect means dividing into two parts. Perpendicular means making 90 degrees. So it should be, because if we say perpendicular only, so perpendicular are many. This is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, but the perpendicular which is here passing from middle point, that is called the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so let's see how to draw this one. So we have given a line segment AB. So first point is given, AB is a given line segment. So steps of constructions, steps of construction we will write together. We will do it and write here. Steps of construction. Number one. What is number one? We have to write the AB is the given line segment. AB is the given line segment. Now what we will do? We have to take the compass. Okay. What is the important here is to, we have to draw the two arcs on both the sides with A and B center, but the radius should be more than the length of AB. Why? Because if you will take less than AB, then these two arcs, you have to draw one arc from A and another from B. They should intersect each other. If you will take less than half, that will not intersect. So we have to keep it here at A point, and it should be more than half, that is more than half. So what we have to draw? We have to make the arc on both the sides, here, above, and below also. One arc here, okay, and then with the same radius. Do not change the radius. And this you have to bring here. You can do with me, huh? Like this. Do not change the radius. Very important, huh? We cannot change the radius in this part and draw another arc. So what we have done, second step of construction with center A, with center A and radius more than half of AB. More than half of AB. Draw arcs. Draw arcs on both sides of on both sides of line segment AB. We have done with center A. Both sides means upward and upside and below the line, above the line and below the line, both sides. Okay. Now with same radius now. Do not change the radius. The third step, you can see now I am not going to change the radius. Same radius. Okay. You can put like this and keep it here. Okay. So with same radius and center B, draw two arcs. One arc is here, okay, and another arc is here. Draw with me, I will check. So this is our step number two. Step number three, sorry. Step number three with green color, because we are doing with green color. So as per the color you can write here, you can understand better. Huh? First color black, so we have done the black. Red, now green. So with what we have done with center B and radius, what will you write? Radius as in step 2. Same radius. We do not change the radius, otherwise you will not get the exact point. Huh? Draw arcs on both sides. Both sides of AB, you can write in short of AB. They These arcs means they intersect. These arcs intersect intersect the previous arcs at, now you have to give the point. Suppose this is P and this is Q. So they are intersecting at, this is P point and this point is Q. Okay, intersect at P and Q. And the last one is joining P and Q. Now join P and Q. Now there is no need of this one. Now we have to draw the line which is joining P and Q. For that we need ruler. Okay, are you doing with me? Take out ruler now. Okay, ruler should be kept so that the line should pass from P and Q. Can you see that how I'm doing? You can do like this only. Exactly, it should pass exactly from P and Q. Yes. So this is the perpendicular bisector. PQ, we can say PQ is the required perpendicular bisector. So what we have done in the fourth step, join PQ. PQ is the required perpendicular bisector. Required perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. This is how to write the steps of construction and how to draw this one. So I suggest you to draw and then write the constructions together. That will help you, and try to write in precise manner. Okay, so that is about the construction of perpendicular bisector of a given line.